If A is a singular matrix, that means determinant A is non-zero. Determinant is non-zero. Now, if determinant is non-zero, can we say product of eigenvalues is non-zero?
Yes, sir.
So from this,
Yes, sir.
can we say each and every eigenvalue they are non-zero? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes.
sir.
If
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
if one of them is zero, so product is zero. Product is zero, so determinant is zero. If determinant is non-zero, product is non-zero. That means each and every eigenvalue they are non-zero. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
So
सर
zero,
नॉन सिंगुलर आना चाहिए ना
हाँ हाँ एक
Non-singular.
एक non-singular, हाँ it will be non-singular. That means 0 is not an eigenvalue of A. Your matrix is a non-singular matrix, then its determinant is non-zero. Determinant is non-zero, so product of eigenvalues is non-zero. Product of eigenvalue is non-zero, that means each and every eigenvalue they are non-zero. That means 0 is not an eigenvalue of A. Any doubt?
No, sir.
नो सर
No, sir.
No, sir.
Next. Second application says you can calculate A raised to n using Cayley-Hamilton theorem. अभी पता नहीं चलेगा, जब एग्जाम्पल होगा तब आपको आइडिया पूरा क्लियर हो जाएगा. ठीक है? हेलो?
Yes, sir.
So let us take one example. So here is your title. Verify Cayley-Hamilton theorem for the matrix A. So let us take matrix A. A is 1, 2 cross 2 matrix. 1, 2, 2 minus 1. Okay. Next. What is Cayley-Hamilton theorem? Cayley-Hamilton theorem says every square matrix satisfies its own characteristic equation. Is it okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now look at this A. What is order of this matrix? It is
2
the 2
cross 2.
cross 2 matrix. And your aim is to evaluate characteristic equation. So question is there, how you are going to evaluate characteristic equation?
Determinant A minus lambda I is equals to 0.
That means first you can take help of definition. Determinant A minus lambda I is equal to 0. And second way is, what is your second way? If
By
A,
theorem.
by theorem. If A is a 2 cross 2 matrix, 2 cross 2 matrix, then the characteristic equation, what is the characteristic equation of 2 cross 2 matrix? Lambda square
Lambda square.
minus S1 lambda plus
S1
S2
lambda
equals to
plus
0.
S1 lambda plus S2. Don't take S2 term.
determinant.
Determinant. So what is S1?
Trace of A.
Trace.
So A. So what is your trace? That is 0. Next, determinant A.
Minus 5.
Minus 5.
Any doubt? Hello?
No, sir.
So the characteristic equation is lambda square minus S1. S1 is 0. And determinant A is minus 5. Means lambda square minus 5 equal to 0. Any doubt? Hello?
नो सर
No, sir.
No, sir.
Up to this line, do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now let us move ahead. Kelly-Hamilton theorem says every square matrix satisfies its own characteristic equation. So my first question is, what do you mean by satisfies? Look at that. I am going to say x is equal to 2 satisfies the equation x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So what do you mean by this line? Hello?
X2 is one of the roots of the equation.
You can say x2 is one of the root, but look at here, what is my statement? I am not going to say find out the root. Is it okay? You are right. आप सही हो, पर मेरा क्वेश्चन रूट के रिलेटेड नहीं है. What is my question? X is equal to 2 satisfy this equation. तो उसका मीनिंग आप क्या लोगे? What you are going to understand?
Sir, if we put x is equal to 2 in that equation, it will satisfy.
Zero.
So when we put x is equal to 2 in left hand side, we must get right hand side. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So Kelly-Hamilton's theorem says when you take lambda is equal to a in left hand side, then you must get, क्या मिलेगा आपको? What is your final answer?
Zero.
0? No.
Zero.
Look at here. Look at here. Look at here. E square minus 5 is equal to 0. You are saying this. Am I right or wrong? Hello?
Yes.
No,
Yes.
you are wrong. ध्यान से देखना अभी थोड़ा सा चेंज है यहाँ पे. What is E? Hello?
Matrix.
Matrix. So what is A square? What is A square? It is a matrix. Is it okay?
Yes. Sir.
What
Yes,
is
sir.
5? 5 is a real number. Can you take subtraction of matrix and real number?
No.
No, sir.
No. So it must be a matrix. This 5 must be a matrix. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In real number, multiplication identity क्या है? What is the multiplication identity? Multiplication identity, that means multiply any real number by a, you must get the same real number. So what is your a? a क्या होगा आपका?
1.
1. So
One.
for in case of real number, your multiplication identity is 1. Is it okay? Any doubt?
No, sir.
So in case of matrix, suppose A is a matrix and I am going to multiply this matrix by something. So I must get A. So what is your blank? ये क्या होगा?
Identity matrix.
Identity.
Identity matrix. So in case of matrix, multiplication identity is I. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sir.
So in this expression, we are going to take 5i. Now you can take subtraction of this to matrix. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Next. Now, real number, addition identity. What is your addition identity? Addition identity, that means take any real number 5, add something, you must get 5. So what is your fill blank?
Zero.
0.
Will be 0. So 0 is the addition identity in case of real number. Now let us see matrix. A is a matrix. Add one matrix so that your answer is A. So what is your addition identity for
Null matrix.
Null matrix.
Null
Sir. Zero.
will be null matrix. Don't say 0, it will be null matrix. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So simplification of this matrix expression must be a null matrix. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So every square matrix satisfies its characteristic equation. That means A square minus 5i is equal to null matrix. Is it okay? Hello? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Hello?
No, sir.
Next. Now look at the statement. Statement says verify. Verify Kelly-Hamilton theorem. So from Kelly-Hamilton theorem, we get this part. We get this expression. So how you are going to verify this expression? Take LHS. What is your LHS of this expression? That is a square minus 5i. Put value a square, that is a into a. A is a matrix. What is identity matrix? 2 cross 2 or 3 cross 3?
2 cross 2.
2 cross 2.
A is a 2 cross 2 matrix. So we must take 2 cross 2. Now let us take the product. What is the product of A into A? Chalo. This is 1 plus 4. This is 2 minus 2. This is 2 minus 2. This is 2. Wait. 1 into 2. 2 2s are 4. Plus 1. Any doubt? Hello?
No, sir.
No,
Now what is
sir.
simplified form of this expression? 5 into identity. क्या होगा? Hello? What is the simplification of this two? Matrix?
5 0 0
Zero,
5.
zero.
5
Null
0
matrix.
0 5.
No, it is 5005. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now what is simplification of this matrix?
5
5 0
0 0
0
5.
5 0
5005. So here is your 5005 minus 5005. Now what is the simplification of this two matrix? Subtraction क्या होगा?
0.
0.
0.
Don't say zero. Don't say zero. Zero.
Null
Null
matrix.
matrix.
Null matrix.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Thus, A satisfies its characteristic equation. Any doubt? That means A satisfies Kelly-Hamilton theorem. Any doubt up to this line?
No, sir.
Any doubt up to this line?
No, sir.
So this part is over, verification part is over. Hence, find A inverse and A square. Our aim is to evaluate A inverse and A square. So let us move towards that direction. We have A square minus 5A, 5I equal to null matrix. That is your equation 1. My aim is to get A inverse. So चलो मैं inverse मुझे A inverse find करना है. So how I am going to find A inverse from equation 1?
Sir, we will multiply A inverse in the complete equation.
So multiply equation 1 by A inverse. So when we multiply equation 1 by A inverse, we get A inverse into this, and any doubt? Hello?
No, sir. No, sir.
Now look at this. Can I take this A square? Can I take this A square as A into A?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what is the product of I into A inverse?
A A inverse.
A inverse.
A inverse. What is the product of O into A inverse?
O.
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 Any doubt up to this line?
No, sir.
What is the product of A inverse into A into A inverse?
Identity matrix.
I.
matrix.
Now what is A into I?
A.
Now from this expression, what is your A inverse?
A by 5. 1 by 5 into
So A inverse is 1 by 5 into A. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Let's take A as it is. So here is your A. It is equal to, now take 1 by 5 inside, so it is 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 2 by 5, minus 1 by 5. Is it okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Next thing. A square. Your aim is to evaluate A square. So let us take again the same expression. Next. A square minus 5y is null matrix. So what is your A square?
5i.
5y. That is equal to 5 times identity matrix. So what is your simplified form of this two matrix? Sorry, 5 into I.
0, 0, 5.
It is 5, 0, 0, 0, 5. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Similarly, suppose
No, sir.
हाँ बोलो. Hello.
हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि इनवर्स इक्वेशन से फाइंड करना है डायरेक्ट मेथड से?
देखो, look at it. There are two ways. The answer is no. There are two ways to evaluate A inverse. First is Gauss-Jordan method. Is it okay? Hello. First is Gauss-Jordan method, and second is Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay? Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now look at the length. The answer is now. Look at the length of Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Verification part निकाल दो. फिर ये निकाल दो. Characteristic equation, next Cayley-Hamilton theorem. From this you will get E square minus 5i is equal to O, and your final answer occurs in this form. तो दोनों में से किस किस केस में लेंथ कम हो रही है, Cayley-Hamilton या Gauss-Jordan? हेलो?
Cayley-Hamilton.
Cayley-Hamilton.
Cayley-Hamilton. अगर ये 3x3 एग्जाम्पल होगा तो और लेंथ कम हो जाएगी, ठीक है, एज कम्पेयर टू Gauss-Jordan मेथड. इज इट ओके?
Yes, sir.
ये एग्जाम्पल कंप्लीट हो गया. एग्जाम्पल 8 इज ओवर. नेक्स्ट इज एग्जाम्पल नंबर 9. Verify Cayley-Hamilton theorem for the matrix A and hence find A inverse. That is your example. So let me take this example. So here is your 3x3 matrix. So what is the matrix? 1, 2, minus 2, minus 1, 3, 0, 0, minus 2 and 1, 0, minus 2 and 1. Now, what is the order of this matrix? Hello?
3 cross 3.
3 cross 3 matrix. So, how you are going to find characteristic equation? Hello?
Lambda cube minus S1 lambda square plus S2 lambda minus determinant.
There are two ways. You can take definition or you can take theorem. If you are going to take theorem, then theorem says lambda cube S1 lambda square plus S2 lambda minus determinant A is equal to 0. So what is S1? S1 is the trace. So what is the trace of a given matrix? Hello?
5.
It is 5.
5.
Next, what is S2? S2?
Minus of deter.
Sum
Sorry,
of
minus of
sum of minus of diagonal element. Your first diagonal element is 1. Remove that row, remove that row, remove that column. So remaining entries are 3, 0, minus 2 and 1. Your next diagonal element is 3. So remove that row, remove that column. Remove that row, remove that column. So remaining entries are 1, minus 2, 0 and 1. Is it okay? Hello? Hello? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Last diagonal element is this one. Here is your last diagonal element. So remove that row, remove that column, remove that row, remove that column. So remaining entries are 1, 2, minus 1 and 3. So what is the answer of first minor?
3.
3 minus 0. Answer of second minor?
1 minus 0.
Minus 0. Answer of third minor?
3 plus 2.
What is your overall answer? What is your overall answer?
9.
9.
9.
9. Let us find determinant. So determinant is 1, that is 3 minus 0, minus 2, minus 1 minus 0, plus 2, that is 2 minus 0. So first term is 3, next term is plus 2, next term is 4. Is it right or wrong? Hello? It is
सर
right
वो
or wrong?
लास्ट टर्म में -2 आएगा ना
हाँ, यहाँ पे देखो.
तो -4 भी
It must be minus 2. So this answer must be minus 4. So what is your answer? 1. Any doubt?
1.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
So the characteristic equation is S1. S1 is 5. S2 is 9. And determinant is 1. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now what is
Yes,
Kelly-Hamilton theorem? What is Kelly-Hamilton theorem? Kelly-Hamilton theorem says every square matrix satisfies its own characteristic equation. Is it okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I dot E dot. That means I dot E dot that means when you take lambda is equal to E in this characteristic equation, then you must get 0. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
नहीं, कुछ गलती है. क्या गलती है देखो जरा. Is it right or wrong?
राइट
नहीं, कुछ
Wrong.
गलती है. क्या कहाँ पे गलती है?
Sir, 9 lambda. Sir, 9 lambda.
Lambda? No.
-1 into I.
-1 into I. अभी भी एक गलती है, क्या गलती है?
0 will be O.
It will not be 0, it will be null matrix. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now, first line says verify Kelly-Hamilton theorem. So, you have to start with left hand side, put value of a square, a cube. Simplification must be null matrix. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, let us evaluate a square. So, what is a square? A square is a into a. So, here is your A matrix. This is A into A. So, what is your answer of A into A? चलो इसको evaluate करो आप. What is the answer of A into A? 1 minus 2 plus 0. 2 plus 6 plus 4. Is it okay? Hello? Minus 2 plus 0 minus 2. Is it okay? Verify करो जी चलो. Plus 2 plus 6 plus 4. Minus 2, 0 and minus 2. Next. Minus 1, minus 3 plus 0. Minus 2 plus 9. Minus 2 plus 9 plus 0. 2 plus 0 plus 0. Last. 0 plus 2 plus 0. Next, 0 minus 6 minus 2. 0 plus 0 plus 1. Is it okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, take addition
Hello.
subtraction. Hello? Any doubt? So, minus 1 plus 12 minus 4 minus 4 minus 2 plus 9, that is 7, 2, 2, minus 8 and 1. Let me check whether answer is right or wrong. So where is part 2? So this one. So a square, that is minus 1, 12 minus 4 minus 4, 7, 2, 2 minus 8, 1. सही है. चलो next. A cube. So that is a square into a. So what is your a square? A square is this. Here is your a square. Here is your a. Take product. चलो अभी आप प्रोडक्ट लो और उसका आंसर मुझे दो. हेलो. चलो इसका प्रोडक्ट लो और आंसर.
Yes, sir.
हेलो. आंसर दो इसका. चलो. Minus 2 plus 36 minus 2 plus 36 plus 8 minus 1 into minus 2, that is 2, plus 0 minus 4 minus 4 minus 7 plus 0 minus 8 plus minus 8 plus 21 minus 4, 8 plus 0 plus 2, last 2 plus 8 plus 0, 4 minus 24, 4 minus 24 minus 2 minus 4 plus 0 plus 1. So what is your answer?
Minus 13, 42 minus 2.
Ah, so first line, minus 1 minus 12 is minus 13,
42
that is 42.
minus 2.
Minus 4 minus 7 is minus 11.
9, 10.
Minus 12, 9, 10, 10,
Minus 22.
minus 22, minus,
Minus
let me check whether answer is right or wrong. Minus 13, 42, minus 2, minus 11, 9, 10, 10, minus 22, minus 3. Chalo, E cube sahi hai. Now let us take LHS. Here is your LHS. So E cube, here is your E cube. Minus 5A square. So here is your 5A square plus 9. Here is your A minus identity matrix. So अभी ध्यान से देखना. I am going to take this minus 5. I am going to take this minus 5 inside this matrix. This matrix. So what is your answer? क्या होगा? We are going to multiply one row or one column by minus 5 or each and every entry by minus 5. Hello?
Each and every.
You are going to multiply each and every entry of this matrix by minus 5. So minus 5 into minus 1, that is plus 5. Minus 5 minus 60. Minus 5 20. Minus 5 20. Minus 5 35. Minus 40. And minus. Let us take 9 inside. If you take 9 inside, then it will be 9, 18, minus 18, 9, 27, 0, 0, 9, 18, and 9. Next, let us take negative sign inside. So if you take negative sign inside, then it will be minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Any doubt? Hello? Hello? Any doubt?
No, sir.
So
No, sir.
minus 13 plus 5 plus 9 minus 1. 42 minus 16 plus 18. Minus 2 plus 20 minus 18. Minus 11 plus 20 minus 9. 9 minus 35 plus 27 minus 1. 10 minus 10. 10 minus 10. Minus 22 plus 14 minus 18. Minus 3 minus 5 plus 9 minus 1. What is your simplification of first row? Hello? What is the simplification of first row?
0.
First is 0, 0, and 0. Next, second row,
0, 0, 0.
all are 0. Do you get null matrix? Null matrix? Hello? आपको null matrix मिला?
Yes, sir.
A cube minus 5a square plus 9a minus I is equal to null matrix. That is verification part. Is it okay? हेलो,
Yes, sir.
दिस इज योर वेरिफिकेशन पार्ट. अगर वहां पे वेरीफाई वर्ड नहीं है, डोंट डू दिस. अगर सिंपली स्टेटमेंट इतना है, ध्यान से सुनना, सिंपली स्टेटमेंट इतना है, अगर सिर्फ स्टेटमेंट इतना है, द मैट्रिक्स ए इज दिस, फाइंड ए इनवर्स. सो यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू वेरीफाई थियरम. ओके, हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Now look at second line. Hence find A inverse. Is it okay? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So next my aim is to find A inverse from this equation 1. So what you are going to do? Chalo. How you are going to find A inverse from this equation?
Multiply A inverse.
Multiply equation 1 by A inverse. So A cube inverse that is equal to null matrix O inverse. Any doubt? Hello? Any doubt?
No, sir.
So can I take this A cube as A square into A? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Next, can I take this A square as A into A?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now what is the product of A into A inverse?
I.
I.
What is the product of IA inverse?
A inverse. A inverse.
A inverse.
What is the product of OA inverse?
O. O.
No.
What is the product of A into A inverse?
I. I.
What is the product of A into A inverse?
I.
I. What is the product of A square into I?
A square.
It is A square. What is the product of AI?
A.
A.
So we get this. Now from this last expression, what is your A inverse? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Let us take value of A square. So where is A square? Here is your A square. So here is A square minus 5A. So here is your A minus 5A plus 9 into identity matrix. So here is your identity matrix. Any doubt? No?
No, sir.
Now let us take minus 5 inside. If we take minus 5 inside, then it will be first row is minus 5, minus 10, plus 10. Next row is 5, minus 15, 0, 0, 10, minus 5. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Next, in last matrix, let us take 9 inside. So it will be 9, 9, 9. Doubt up to this line?
No, sir.
Let us take addition subtraction. So minus 1, minus 5 plus 9, 12, minus 10, minus 4 plus 10, minus 4 plus 5, 7 minus 15 plus 9 last 2 plus 0 plus 0 2 minus 8 plus 10 1 minus 5 plus 9. Is it okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now let us take addition subtraction. So 1 minus 5 minus 9, that is 3. It is 2. Minus 4 plus 10, that is 6. 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 5. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now let me check my answer is right or wrong. So inverse of a matrix. So here is your calculator. Set matrix. So chalo. What is your A? 1, 2, 1, 2 minus 2 minus 1, 3, 0, 0 minus 2 and 1. Calculate this. 3 to 6. Do you get 3 to 6? First row. 1, 1, 2,
Yes.
1, 2, 2, 2, 5. So A inverse is right. There are, look at here, there are online calculator, there are online calculator, which are taking help of Kelly-Hamilton theorem to find A inverse and A raised to n. Is it okay? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ये जो सारे online calculator है ना, they are taking help of Kelly-Hamilton theorem to evaluate A inverse, A raised to n. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in current example?
No, sir.
So let us move towards next example. Look at it. If A is this matrix 1, 2, minus 1, 3, then express A raised to 5 minus A raised to 4 plus 3A cube minus 5A square plus 2A minus 3I in term of A square, A and I. Is it okay? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now look at the statement. Look at the statement. Do you have any word like Kelly-Hamilton theorem?
No, sir.
Look at it. Though we are going to take help of Kelly-Hamilton theorem, ध्यान से देखना, मैं पूरा एग्जाम्पल आपको समझा रहा हूं. Your matrix is 2 cross 2 matrix 1, 2, minus 1 and 3. We are going to take help of Kelly-Hamilton theorem. So let us find characteristic equation. The characteristic equation is, what is the characteristic equation using theorem? Hello? S1. What is S1?
4.
4.
What is determinant?
5.
5.
It is 1. Why you are saying
5.
that?
Sir, 5, sir.
Ah,
Five.
so it will be
5.
plus 2. It will be plus 2. It will be plus 2. So answer is 5. So thus characteristic equation is lambda square minus S1 lambda, S1 is 4, determinant is 5. Any doubt up to this line?
No, sir.
Any doubt up to this line?
Sir.
Now Kelly-Hamilton theorem, every square matrix satisfies its own characteristic equation. That means a square. When you take lambda is equal to a, you will get a square minus 4a plus 5 is equal to 0. Am I right or wrong? Hello?
Wrong.
Wrong. Why?
Plus 5i
Plus 5
into
equals
4
4.
I
equals 4.
null matrix. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now look at statement. Do you have any word like verify Cayley-Hamilton theorem?
No.
No, sir.
We do not have any word. We do not have any word. So we are not going to verify Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Is it okay?
Yes.
Any doubt? Hello? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Fine. So we are going to reduce this expression using this one, a square minus 4a plus 5. Is it okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now for that I require paint, क्योंकि वो simplification यहाँ पे नहीं हो सकता है. So expression क्या है? What is the expression? A minus a plus 3a minus 5a plus 2a minus 3i. So पावर स्टार्ट कर देते हैं लिखने के लिए. So here is power 5, here is power 4, here is power cube, here is power square. Any doubt? Hello? Hello?
No, sir.
No. We are going to divide this polynomial of a raised to 5 by a square minus 4a plus 5i. Is it okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So let us start. A minus a minus 5a क्या था प्लस 5i और यहाँ पे पावर 2. चलो तो सबसे पहले आप यू आर गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय a क्यूब. इज इट ओके?
Sir, a square
So
minus
minus
4a
4a.
plus
4a.
8 मिनट. इट इज माइनस 4a. सो मुझे ये पूरी एक्सप्रेशन यहाँ से रिमूव करनी पड़ेगी. सो इट इज ए स्क्वायर ये थोड़ा टाइप करना यहाँ पे टफ है. ए स्क्वायर माइनस 4a है ना.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
स्क्वायर माइनस 4a प्लस 5i. Here is your e square. Any doubt? Hello? So first you are going to multiply by a cube. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So when you multiply by a cube, so your expression it will be a raised to 5 minus 4a cube plus 5a. Any doubt? Hello?
No, sir.
So what is the simplification of this expression? क्या होगा? सिंप्लीफिकेशन क्या होगा इसका?
माइनस 5 प्लस 8
ओके, एक काम करते हैं, ये एग्जांपल नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में देखते हैं, ठीक है? हेलो हेलो,
ओके
मैं
Yes.
पूरा पूरा एग्जांपल ठीक से टाइप करके प्रिपेयर करके आपको समझा दूंगा, ओके? हेलो,
ओके सर।
Yes, sir.
ओके सर।
क्योंकि अभी क्या हो रहा है, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू टाइप इन पेंट, तो मैं कोई सॉफ्टवेयर यूज करके उसकी इमेज बना के आपको पूरा रिप्रेजेंट कर दूंगा, ठीक है? ओके, हेलो,
ओके सर।
Yes, sir.
एनी डाउट इन टुडेज सेशन?
नो सर।
यहां तक तो कोई डाउट है ना? डाउट नहीं है ना? हेलो,
No, sir.
नो सर।
we will continue the same example after this line, after this characteristic equation. Is it okay? In next lecture, any doubt?
No, sir.
मैंने सारी फाइल्स माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम में अपलोड कर दी है, ठीक है? हेलो,
Okay, sir.